With the rapid growth of the energy industry, we have been committed to technological innovation to continuously improve conservation efficiency and reduce manufacturing costs. As a company that dares to innovate and challenge, we have been adhering to the purpose of providing quality products and services for global customers for many years. We have witnessed Hongwei's change. The plant area increased from 1,000 square meters to almost 7,000 square meters. Our main products, portable folding solar panels, bring more possibilities for photovoltaic applications. We focus on the research and development and innovation of photovoltaic products and have a strong technical team to provide customers with high-quality technical services. We pay attention to market changes and constantly develop new products to meet customer needs. With the enlargement of the business scale, maturity of business technology, and the improvement ability of company, Hongwei has been widely recognized in this field. Our products have passed the CE RoHS certification testing standards. We are looking forward to work with customers to build a better green energy future.